How to add funds on PS5 and how to add money to PS5 wallet. It's basically the same thing. What you're going to want to do is start off on the PlayStation 5 home screen here. Then you want to press up on the D-pad or your left stick to get to the top menu part. Then scroll along until you see settings. Click X on that. Then you want to scroll down until you see users and accounts. Click X on that. Then you want to scroll until you go on the top part. There's a payment and subscriptions there. Then in payment and subscriptions, scroll down to add funds, and then you can see in there you can redeem a code if you already have one in this section here. If not, you can go to PaySafe card, which is going to allow you to add money to your PlayStation 5. So you can go in, continue with that, ask for how much you want. Then you're going to have to either sign in with an account on here or create a new one. It's relatively simple. It will take you through the steps there. Once that's done, it will add money to your PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.